I'm going to show you how to make a geometric design like this using your Paint 3D app. So I'm going to close this, and I've already got it saved. Now, the first thing you've got to do is open your Paint 3D app, so you can go down to the window down in the corner of your tablet, click on the window, and then find your Paint 3D app. So under the P's, Paint 3D right here, the drop with the rainbow. Click on that. Click on New to open up a new project. Now, we're on the brushes page here. This is the page that has all our brushes and other drawing tools. But we want our geometric shapes. So we're going to go up here at the top and we're going to click on 2D shapes. So go up to the top, click on 2D shapes. And then you're going to have a page like this that has lots of shapes over here. So you can pick any of these geometric shapes that you'd like to use to make your design. I'm going to do a square this time. So I'm going to click on my square, and then I'm going to click on my canvas, and that puts a square in my canvas. I think that outline is too thick, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to look under it where it says thickness, and we've got a little thing we can slide down to make that outline thinner. Okay. When it's the way you want it, you can click on the stamp. We're going to use the stamp tool this time because we want a whole bunch of the same kind of shape. So you're going to stamp that square, and then you're going to move it over, and you can stamp it again, move it over. Now you can also adjust your square. You can actually make squares and rectangles with this. So you can also, and you can make it even smaller too. If you want to make a smaller square, you can take one of the corners. So go to the little square on the corner and slide it in like that, and it's going to make it a little smaller. Stamp. Okay, I'm going to make some rectangles now so I can drag the edges out. You can also do this by going to the corners. Okay. Stamp. Okay, I'm going to make one like this. So just, you want to draw, oops, okay, I did something wrong there. So remember, if you do something wrong, you can just click undo like this. Go up here to the backwards arrow, and it will undo it. But now my square is gone. That's okay. I just have to go get my square again and put another one in the canvas. Okay, I'm just going to do just a few more. Oh, that one's off the side, so I'm just gonna have to click check. I think I want like maybe one more down here. Okay. All right, now I got too many there, so I'm gonna click undo. All right, that is enough of my squares and rectangles. So the next thing that I want to do is color these in. To color them in, we have to go back to the brushes page. So we're on the 2D shapes page. You have to go back to the brushes page right here. Click on brushes. And now we can use our fill tool. The fill tool looks like a bucket. So you click on the bucket, and then you can pick whatever color you want to use to fill in your shape. So I've got blue now. I'm going to just click a few blue shapes here and there across my paper. All right, now I'm going to click a different color. So it makes it really easy to color because you can just, all it takes is one click. I want to change that. Remember, if you mess anything up, all you have to do is click the undo button. It's really easy to fix things when you're using Paint 3D. Okay. Okay. So that is my finished picture. So when you are finished, probably the easiest way for you guys, if you want to save your pictures, probably the easiest way for you guys to do that is to just click on the X like you're leaving your Paint 3D app. So you click on the X and it's going to ask if you want to save your work, and you can click on Save, and that will save it in your Paint 3D. Actually, you've got to name it, or you can leave it untitled. Let's see. I'm just going to name this Geometric Shapes. Actually have a few of them named that, so I'm going to put a 3 there. And I can click on Save in Paint 3D. Okay. Now if I wanted to open it back up again, I could go to my Paint 3D and I could click on Open, and there it is. So I could open it again and I could do some changes if I wanted to. There are also ways that you can send those. You can share them with people. You can email them to me if you'd like for me to see your picture. So maybe we'll learn more about that later.